bitch you don't fuck with. Chillin' with the boys, you do.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Michelle here, and I'm back at it with another video. Now, this is your first time ever being on my channel, then I'm gonna need for you to smash that subscribe button and join my family. And if you're already part of my family, then welcome back, fam. Welcome to another video. Now, before we get started, I think you guys think it's a game. I think you guys think that I'm kidding. I think that you guys just aren't taking me serious. Sis is serious. Smash that subscribe button and join my family. And if you're already part of my family, then I am so happy that you're here to join me on another video. Let's get into today's video. First off, I do want to apologize if my voice sounds a little off. I've been really sick lately, or I'm feeling like I'm getting sick. It's horrible. It's like literally 2 days before Christmas, and here I am feeling like I'm getting sick. I don't know why, what happened between yesterday and today when I went to the housewarming and today, but I really feel like I'm getting sick, so I'm so sorry if my voice sounds a little different or off. But anyways, today's video is on this amazing hair. This is a wig that I actually got from Nadula. So here's the box right here. So today's video is in collaboration with Nadula Hair. Okay, so I know you guys want all the tea on this unit, sis. So this unit, let me just go through the deets real quick. This unit is a highlighted unit. I know you guys see the little birthmark effect that we have going on, the two little, peekaboo stripes, which is so cute or whatever. So it is a 1B unit, and then the two highlighted spots are the color 27. This unit is 20 inches, and it is very much true to length, I could say that. This unit is 150% density, and also it is an average cap size with a medium brown lace. Now, this lace, sis, hold on. Let's get into this lace, sis. Sis. Girl. Y'all. This lace, I am absolutely in love with this lace. It literally melts in my skin like butter, y'all. Okay, you guys, this lace, I'm in love with it. And this unit also does come pre-plucked. They did an excellent job with the plucking. Literally, you bleach the knots and it's a wrap. It is a wrap. Literally, sis, wet lace. I can truly say that. I love this hair and this lace, off tops. That's all I gotta say. But this is the box that the hair comes in, and looks like Nadula got a new box as well. And then on the back, it just has some facts and questions. Very nice packaging. It was really nice, assembled really well. Everything was fine. There is nothing wrong with it. I do believe that it was prime shipping, so I did get it within 2 days, which was great. Like I said, I have 20 inches, so the cost for this unit was $155. Most of the time they do have promo codes, so if I do have any promo codes to offer you, then I will keep it down below in the description box. And also, like I was saying, since I said Prime, you should already know where I got it from, and I got it from Amazon. So they sent me it from Amazon. So yeah, you're gonna expect it within 2 days. Communication is always great with Nadula. I never have any issues. Now, let's get into how I feel about the actual wig itself. So upon receiving it, I was completely and utterly surprised by how nice the quality of the hair is. The quality of this hair is excellent. When I first received it, I was like, this hair is literally smooth to the touch. So then I was a little sketched because I was like, okay, what happens when I wash it? Is it still gonna maintain that quality? And of course I have washed this hair. It maintained the quality. I also bleached the knots, but let me tell you guys something that I noticed when I first received it. So when I first received it, it does come in a middle part. And what I noticed was it looks like they had bleached the knots, but I couldn't quite tell. It looked like they had like either some type of brown dye, or they tinted the lace, or they bleached the knots in the middle part. But I just decided just to bleach the knots all over the frontal part. It is a 13 by 4 inch frontal unit. So I just decided to go ahead and just bleach my knots, because that's what I do with all of my units. And as you guys can see, it's taken bleach really well. Like the knots definitely lifted. Guys, this is so bomb. It's so bomb. But as you guys can see, yeah, the knots definitely took bleach just fine. And then all I did is I went in with my pressed powder, of course, to make it look just like my skin complexion. And sis, we're melted. We are melted. We are melted out here. So I did wear this unit out a couple of times. I wore it out to downtown Seattle. Also, I wore it to a housewarming, and I actually got a lot of compliments. Like, a lot of people really like the colors. So a lot of people think that it actually is a really nice like color job with the two little birthmark effects highlighted in the front. A lot of people actually really liked it. A lot of people thought that it really brought out my face or whatever. Yeah, a lot of people actually really liked it, and I like it myself. I'm just not used to it. I do believe Nadula does have other units just like this, but with a different color of the birthmark effect. I'm pretty sure. Don't quote me, but I am pretty sure, and you can just be sure to check out their storefront just to like make sure I'm correct on that, but I'm pretty sure it does. Now this hair, like I said, it maintained its quality. It is a very soft. It is very silky. I love it. And something I noticed about my unit is the ends of the hair is not raggedy at all. They take care of the ends of the hair. My unit, you could tell that it was definitely trimmed. So it looked like it was trimmed, and it looked very healthy. The hair looked very full from root to tip. So we love a good fullness from root to tip. We don't like looking all straggly and thin at the ends. So I was just impressed, you guys. Like, I was just impressed, and I love this. I like it. I like it so much. You guys comment down below. Let me know what you think about this unit. I think it's definitely worth the money. For $55 or $155 for a unit that's 20 inches that comes with a little highlighted effect. You don't have to go in and dye it yourself, and it's already plucked and all of that. Comes with baby hairs. Like, do I need to say more? Do I really need to say more? And I just think it's cute. You guys comment down below what you think about this unit. I've seen it on a lot of babes, so it's trending, girl. It's trending, sis. And you guys know that this whole little birthmark effect has definitely been trending, so I definitely like it. It's something different for me. It adds a little bit of color, a little pop of color, but it's not OD and it's not doing too much. So yeah, I would recommend this unit. I think I'm done rambling, but if you guys have any other questions regarding this unit, be sure to comment down below. I'll leave all information in regards to this unit in the description box. And be sure to check out Nadula on Instagram as well. Check out their YouTube as well. And definitely check out their Amazon storefront. But that's it for this video. Again, give this video a thumbs up if you liked this hair, or if you liked this video, or if you like Nadula, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Don't forget to tell your mama, your auntie, your brother, your brother's girlfriend, and your grandma to join my family, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Much love. Bye.